Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Photoshop Actions via Creative Cloud for faster branding, full guide step by step clearly. If you don't have the app, download and install it from Adobe's official website. Sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new account if necessary. Once you're in the Creative Cloud app, navigate to the Marketplace section. In the Marketplace, select Stock and Marketplace to explore available assets. Now, use the search bar to type in Photoshop Actions to find relevant options. Browse through the various subscriptions available and choose one that fits your branding needs. Click on the subscription to view its details, including features and pricing. Review the subscription terms and confirm your purchase, entering payment details if prompted. After subscribing, you'll find the actions in your Creative Cloud library. Open Adobe Photoshop and go to the Window menu. From there, select Actions to open the Actions panel. In the panel, click on the menu icon located in the top right corner. Choose Load Actions from the drop-down menu. Select the desired Actions file and click Load to add it to your panel. Now, your new Photoshop Actions are ready for use. Explore the actions and experiment with them for your branding projects. Utilizing these actions will significantly speed up your design workflow. Enjoy enhancing your branding with the powerful shortcuts that Photoshop Actions offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.